In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit HTML code using the GoDaddy website builder. This process is straightforward and will take us about 5 minutes. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you typically use. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar and type in GoDaddy. Hit Enter, and it should be the first result you see. Click on it to visit the GoDaddy homepage. Once you're on the GoDaddy site, you'll need to log in. Now, you can do this in a few different ways. If you have a GoDaddy account, you can log in using your registered email and password. Alternatively, if you'd rather not remember another set of login credentials, you can use your Facebook or Google account for a quick and seamless login experience. Choose whichever option is most convenient for you. With that done, you should now find yourself on the GoDaddy dashboard. Here, navigate to the section labeled Websites plus Marketing. This is where all your website projects are listed. Browse through the options until you find the website you want to work on, and then select Manage next to it. This will take you to your website's management page, where all editing tools are accessed. Next up, you'll want to click on the Edit button. Doing so will open up the Website Builder Editor. The interface is generally user-friendly, and you'll see lots of customization options. Familiarize yourself with the editor layout if you're new to it, as it will make future edits much easier. To proceed, navigate to the specific page and location within your website where you have or want to embed your custom HTML. This could be any part of your website, depending on where changes need to be made or content needs to be added. Once you locate the right section, click on the HTML section in the editor. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a panel. This is where you'll find a field labeled Custom Code. This is the area that allows you to tweak the existing code. Whether you're adding additional color to your pages, inserting text, uploading an image, or embedding a form, this is where you'll make those changes. It's crucial to remember to save your changes. After editing, take advantage of the Preview function, which shows you how the changes will appear on your site without making them live just yet. This gives you a chance to ensure that everything looks and behaves exactly as you intended. If it all checks out, you can now select Publish to make these changes visible to your site's visitors. And just like that, you're done.